Welcome to my apartment tour. I'm going to be showing you around my new place that I'm staying at in Bogotá, Colombia. I'll be staying here from today, March of 2024, until at least December 2024 when my teaching contract expires. So get ready and let's check it out. The apartment is a furnished apartment, so it comes with all of the furniture that you see here. The couch folds out to become a bed, so I have somewhere if I have any guests that they can sleep. And then I talked to the woman that I'm renting from, and she was kind enough to go out and get a TV for the living room, so I have some entertainment. As we pass from the living room into the dining room, we can see that I have a view here, currently obscured by the curtain. I got a gift of Juan Valdez coffee and a French press to start me off in my new place in Colombia. And then in this cabinet here, I have glasses, tablecloths, coasters. So as you can see, it really comes equipped with the things that I need for daily life. And when we come over here to the kitchen, we have a gas stove. The back burner is actually an electric burner, but the front three are gas. And then in this drawer here, we have the knives and forks, so I don't have to go out and buy silverware. So that's pretty nice. I asked specifically for a blender because I love making smoothies in the morning. So they were kind enough to bring that for me. And then right now there's some issues with the water, so I'm not able to drink the tap water. Normally you could here in Bogota, but I'm buying these giant jugs and they'll last me until the water supply gets fixed. Currently don't have anything in the fridge, but as you can see, it's pretty large. It's got the part up above for frozen goods. And then this here is actually a secret compartment. I'll lift it up for you. That I can use this for washing clothes if I just want to wash like one or two items really quickly. So that's pretty cool. Have a little secret washing area. The actual washing machine is down in the basement. Over here, what looks like a standard phone, it actually calls to the front desk. So gotta be careful to use that one judiciously. And then I'll show you the next room. So from the front entrance, if we go to the left, takes us into the living room, the dining room, and over to the kitchen. But if we come in here and we go to the right, we have this little area. I'm not sure what that's actually for. And we have some cool artwork. And then the bathroom, which isn't too exciting, but I'll show you one little trick here. This cabinet, if I open it up, it has the electric heating for the water system. So if we come down this same hallway that leads to the bathroom and we turn, we've got the bedroom. It's got a separate door, so separate room. Little nightstands on both sides of the bed. We come over here, closet with a bunch of hangers. Laundry basket comes with the apartment. We have some shelves, some drawers, an iron. This stand was supposed to be for the TV, but I wanted the TV in the living room. And then we can come over here, and this is my view. Not much of a view. but I get this little sand lot. As you can see, I can reach out and I can put some cacti and start a little garden. So that's the tour. Awesome, well that's the tour of my new apartment here in Bogota. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or feel free to reach out to me directly. I love talking about my new adventure. I'm happy to share about what's happening with me here in this new city. Bye.